Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the topic participants in derivatives market. There are three kinds of participants in a derivatives market, that is hedgers, speculators, arbitrageurs. So the first one is hedgers. Hedging would mean the reduction of risk. An investor who is looking at reducing risk is known as hedgers. Hedgers use derivatives market to reduce or eliminate the risk associated with the price of an asset. Majority of the participants in derivatives market belongs to this category. Hedgers enter a derivative contract to protect against adverse changes in the values of their assets or liabilities. Specifically, hedgers enter a derivative transaction such that a fall in the value of their assets will be compensated by an increase in the value of the derivative contract. For example, an investor has a portfolio of rupees 1 crore and wants to hedge ahead of an important event, something like election, policy announcement, or the budget. Depending on the investor's requirements, hedging can be done by shorting index futures to make his portfolio risk neutral. Alternatively, the investor can buy put options of the index by paying a fixed cost referred to as premium. Hedger simply means is a trader who trades in order to protect against price fluctuations in financial instrument. Hedgers are cautious players who protect themselves from risk by closely watching price movements and sell as soon as they reaches their optimum price, thus getting an assured price for the stocks. In general, hedgers use futures for protection against adverse future price, thereby looking to reduce risk for their holdings and interest. They are extremely important to a derivative market and are primarily responsible for setting future prices. Hedging is done only for safety purposes. The purpose of hedging is not profit, it is all about safety. The next one is speculators. Speculators attempt to make profit from anticipating changes in market prices or rates or credit events by entering a derivative contract. Speculators hypothesize expected price movements and take positions that maximize profit. Speculators are extremely high risk takers who are in the derivative markets merely for the purpose of making profits. They need to effectively forecast market trends to take positions that don't in any way guarantee safety of invested capital or returns. Speculators rely on fast moving trends to forecast possible market moves. This could range from changing consumer taste to fluctuating rates of interest, economic growth indicators coinciding with market timing, etc. Speculators can make huge profit or an equally huge loss and are typically high net investors looking to diversify holding with a view to maximize profit in a short period of time. Activities of speculators are inherently more risky and should require close monitoring by financial regulators. For example, if a speculator feels the stock price of XYZ company is expected to fall in the next 2 days given some upcoming market development, he would typically short sell these shares in a derivative market without actually buying or owning those shares. If the stock price fall as expected, he would make sizable profit depending on holding. However, if the opposite happened, he would make a portfolio loss. Speculator simply means a person who invests in stocks properly or other ventures in the hope of making profit. Speculators are the high risk takers. They bet on the future movements of prices based on their skill and knowledge levels with a higher than average risk in return for a higher than average profit potential. They take risk to earn profit by buying low and selling high, or by first selling high and later buy now. They betting on the basis of price movements. They expecting a price rise, bought lot of his assets or his securities. Suddenly the prices fall, so they will be taking risk. If the speculator's idea is correct or their expectations become right, then they will have good profit. Speculation is all about risky profit. Another one is arbitrages. The last major participants are the arbitrages. They play an extremely fast paced environment with decision being made at a moment's notice. Sometimes the price of a stock in the cash market is lower or higher than it should be in comparison to its price in the derivatives market. Arbitrages exploit these imperfection and inefficiencies to their advantages. They also play an important role in increasing liquidity in the market, thus making it more fluid. Their behavior is guided by the desire to take advantages of a discrepancy between prices of more or less the same assets or competing assets in the different markets. If, for example, they see the future prices of an asset getting out of line with the cash price, they will take offsetting positions in the two market to lock in a profit. Arbitrage simply means a person who simultaneously sell and purchase the same financial instruments into different markets in order to make riskless profit. Arbitrages are the persons who attempt to profit from inefficiencies in price by making transactions that offset each other. He typically makes his profit by buying low in one market and selling high in another. Arbitrages keep market prices stable and reducing possible exploitation of prices. They are typically the most experienced market players who make fast decisions. The arbitraging is done for safe profits or risk-free profit. So they don't want to take much risk, but they want to profit also. They want profit also. So that's all about my topic. Thank you.